Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be talking about what is Java, C and C++ and what are the differences between them. So let's start. C language. The C programming language is a structure-oriented programming language developed at Bell Laboratories in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Yes, C is a fully structure-oriented programming language developed in 1972 in America by a computer scientist named Dennis Ritchie. The C language is belonging to the high level programming language. Yes, C language is of course a high level programming language which is easy to learn and easy to understand. Operating system programs such as Windows, Unix, Linux are written in C language. Yes, C was specially used for writing system applications such as operating system such as Windows, Unix, Linux and writing interpreters and compilers. C has been written in assembly language. C++ language. C++ language is a compiled, general-purpose, case-sensitive, free-form programming language that supports structure-oriented and object-oriented. Yes, C++ supports both structure-oriented programming and object-oriented programming. Unlike C, C only supported structure-oriented programming, but in C++ additional properties there that it also supports object-oriented programming. C++ is regarded as a high-level language. Yes, C++ is also a high-level language as same as C. C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup starting in 1979 at Bell Labs in Murray Hill, New Jersey as an enhancement to the C language and originally named C with classes. But later it was renamed C++ in 1983. Yes, C++ was developed in 1979 by Bjarne Stroustrup in Bell Labs in Murray Hill, New Jersey, America. Yes, it is the same place where Dennis Ritchie developed C language. Yes, it is the same place in Bell Labs in America. C++ is a superset of C, and that virtually any legal C program is a legal C++ program. Yes, C++ is a superset of C, and C is the subset of C++. And every legal C program is a legal C++ program, but it's convert C++. Every legal C++ program is not a C program. Java language. Programming language was originally developed by Sun Microsystem, which was initiated by James Gosling and released in 1995 as core component of Sun Microsystem Java platform. Yes, Java's motto is write once and run anywhere. Yes, you have to write once and you can run in any platform many times. The latest release of Java's standard edition is Java SE8. Yes, Java has three types of edition. Java SE, which is standard edition, which is used for making computer applications, and Java EE for which is enterprise edition, which is used for making enterprise application, and J2ME, which is Java micro edition, which is used for making mobile applications. And the latest release is Java SE8 for standard edition. In Java, everything is an object. Java can be easily extended since it is based on object model. Yes, Java is fully object-oriented programming. Unlike C++, it is not a partially oriented programming. Like we have to write a hello world program. In C++, we can write it without defining any class or anything. We simply write a main function and we use cout and print the hello world in that. But in Java, even if we have to write a single line of code, we have to write it in a method called main, and that should be in a defined class. So Java is purely object-oriented programming. Unlike many other programming languages, including C and C++, when Java is compiled, it is not compiled into platform-specific machine, rather into platform-independent bytecode. This bytecode is distributed over the web and interpreted by the virtual machine on whichever platform it is being run on. Yes, Java is a pretty different language than C and C++. In C and C++, the source code, we compile the source code and we get simply the machine language. But in Java, there is two things. When we compile a Java source code, we get a bytecode, and that the bytecode is that we can share with anyone by removable disks or any disk, or we can do it by sharing it in web. And we need a JVM which makes the Java program cross platform and computer independent and platform independent, so we can run it anywhere. So the motto of Java is write once and run anywhere. Java is designed to be easy to learn. If you understand the basic concepts of OOP, it is pretty easy. Yes, Java is not very much hard like that, but Java is it holds the basic concept and main concept of object-oriented programming. So Java is a pretty good language to learn. Differences between C and C++. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie between 1969 and 1973 at AT&T Bell Labs. C++ was developed by Bajan Strostrup in 1979 with C++ predecessor C with classes, which I have said earlier. When C, when compared to C++, C is subset of C. Yes, C is subset of C++, and C++ is superset of C. Yes, the same thing are written here, so I hope you understand this. Differences between C++ and Java. C++ was developed by Bajan Strostrup. Development began in 1917, which I said. Java was similarly developed by James Gosling and his team in Sun Microsystem, and development began in 1991. C is a compiled language. Java is both compiled and interpreted language. Yes, the Java source code is compiled to bytecode, and then the bytecode is interpreted to machine language. C programs are platform dependent. They need to be compiled for a particular platform. Java programs are platform independent. Yes, I said earlier, programs are cross-platform. It can run in any platform. But C++ programs are for a specific platform in which platform we write, it will run only on that platform. Java does not support operator overloading. C++ does support operator overloading. Yes, operator overloading means there should be overloading means what? That we will be giving meaning for many meanings to a single operator. Yes. So Java does not support it. But functional overloading in both it is possible, yes. C++ fully supports pointer. Yes, pointers means the variables which store address. But Java does not use any pointers. Java says that it is illegal to use the addresses of any variables or like that. C++ supports structure. Java does not support structure. Yes, C++ supports union and Java does not support unions. Yes, like structure, it also does not support unions. C++ support manual object management through new and delete keyword. Yes, there is a keyword new and delete which is used to delete an object or a variable completely in our running program. And Java relies on automatic garbage collection. It does not support destructor the way C++ does. Yes, there is an automatic garbage collector in Java. During execution of a program in Java, whenever whenever JVM sees that the object is not needed anymore, so it destructs it. It acts as a destructor and it deletes that variable or object. C++ supports goto statement. Java does not support goto statement. Yes, there is a difference between C++ and Java. That's why Java is C++ supports goto statement. Yes, goto is while you will be when you will learning programming languages like C and C++, they will be written that programmers mainly doesn't use goto statement. Rarely programmers use goto statement. Yes, it breaks the rules of a programming of the softness of a programming language and how smoothly it works. So Java does not support goto statement and C++ supports goto statement.